Hey everybody, it's Mr. Claes here, and we have the 2020 Akins High School, Akins Early College High School yearbook. It is finally here. It has arrived. It's not at the location where I'd hoped to be. I'd hoped to be at school doing a actual reveal in front of the entire staff, but it is what it is, and we are here, and here it is, and I have not looked at it. It came off the truck. I threw it in my car. I brought it home. So let's see how we look here. Okay. Gotta make sure that everything's all right. Here you go, guys. It looks so good. What's your 20? There's the cover. Says the diversity, the good spirit, the quest for excellence make this school the very best. And that's a quote from Dr. W. Charles Akins, 1932 to 2017, the namesake of the school. Happy 20th anniversary, Akins. And this is what we have here. Does this look familiar to anybody? Give you a minute to figure it out, and then if we want to, we can flip to the end, and this is what you have. So all right, it's good. Here's Jim. There's football, basketball, all the sports in here. Got the building. It's all the things that happen inside. Clubs, fine arts. And outside. Outside includes the school spirit, homecoming, blue and gold night, college, internships, and of course the March 13th, how to use social distance. So yes, we even cover the unfortunate COVID-19, but all this was your year, Akins. Here we go. And here's a little hidden Easter egg. If you look right along this side, I'm gonna start right here. Go 2020. All right, congratulations. We will have a distribution this coming Friday and next Monday, and we're going to get these into your hands. And we have about 40 books left. So if you still need to order one, get onto the link that's going to be dropped at the bottom of this video, and you can get one for yourself.